Hello YouTube viewers and subscribers. Today I'm going to talk about FPV frame kit called GEPRC or GEPRC. It is a Freestyle frame kit called Mach 2, and it comes in three different sizes: 200 millimeters, 230 millimeters and 260 millimeters, depending on what you are going to build, what kind of the freestyle drone you're going to build. So let's check what's in the box. See, nice package. First of all is GEPRC assembly manual, just one piece of paper explained all parts, some stickers. Yeah, let's do it like this. This is a power distribution board, some battery straps, some caps and silicone tubes for probably for your receiver. This part is anodized aluminum, bolts and nuts, arms, carbon fiber arms, and other carbon fiber parts for building the drone. This is something anti-vibrations, self-adhesive sponges, and this is, I don't know what this is. Self-adhesive it is, but I don't know yet what it is. So that's what's in the box. You can find the link in video description, and I'll give you some specifications now about this. So actually it is 3K carbon fiber arms. Power distribution board has 5 volts and 12 volt output with XT60 connector, as you can see. And this one 5-inch one or 230 millimeter inch one says its weight around 115 up to 119 grams. Arms and board are from 4 millimeter arms, 4 millimeter carbon fiber, and these parts of the board are 2 millimeters carbon fiber, and these parts, some are, as I can see, 4, some are 2, and some, this one particularly is 1.5 millimeter carbon fiber. Let's put bolts on, let's put this aluminum on, and maybe one of these battery straps. And total weight says it's 168 grams. Of course it's packed in these plastic bags, so that's why it is heavier than in specifications, and probably there are some spare bolts and nuts, so all up weight is a little bit higher than declared, 168 grams, but I assume when I complete this one that it will be, as mentioned, around 150 up to 120 grams. So now all I have to do is assemble this, and I hope that this, you can see closer, this will help how to assemble it. I will put FC on it, I will put a camera on it, and motors. It's designed for 5-inch propellers. You can see their recommendation configuration here. So if you're gonna use their recommendation, what they recommended, or maybe you have some better idea, I will stick to this recommended parts as much as I can and try to assemble it and of course fly it. Alright, thanks for watching. As I mentioned, link is in video description. You can choose between those 3 sizes, 200, 230 and 260 millimeter versions, depending on what you really want. This is again Mark II, so it is freestyle frame. If you like flying freestyle racing drone, this could be really nice one. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, link is in video description, and see you next time when I finish this mini quad. Bye.